Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining my channel. This is Rocky and we are back in my closet. I don't think I filmed in my closet in probably 2 years. And reason being is because my closet has been a disaster. It still somewhat is a disaster, but let's do this. You came here today to see what he got me. I'm super excited to share this unboxing with you. I am giddy, I am whatever. So let's get right into it. I don't want to waste another second. So as you know, every year I'll do a wish list, and there's some things that carry over year, things that I just feel like are pipe dreams or special occasion, whatever the case may be, that I just don't get, and it just kind of crosses over year. There's one thing that's been on my list for 5 years. More than 5 years. I've been on YouTube for 5 years and you've been hearing about it for 5 years. And so my wedding anniversary just passed this past week and hubby got me a gift from my wish list. So let me show it to you. Oh, yes, he got me something from Cartier. And yeah, it comes in this beautiful Cartier bag. Which kind of looks like a coated leather, but it's not. This, don't worry about that. That didn't come on the bag, but that's from something I'll show you in a second. But let me show you what's in here. What comes with it? So it comes with, you know, this certificate of authenticity. Then this is kind of going to give away kind of the size of what it is, but it does come with a little case, like a little dust bag case and everything that comes with it, that says Cartier inside, and it's really nice. It's a faux suede kind of a feel to this, and then the authenticity, it comes in a very durable, the same like faux leather feel of this bag, but coated leather. This is what the authenticity badge comes. It's almost like a passport. That's what it kind of feels like. And then I'm stringing this along, aren't I? Then they also were kind enough to gift him some samples of some fragrances. I think these are all EDTs. This is an EDT and a vaporizer spray. Both of the, this one is a Baiser Voile, which is a perfume, and then this is a Déclaration, and this one is a EDT or Eau de Toilette. So I did already sample these because I just could not wait. I did sample these. Hopefully this cutaway is working so you can see them. I like one but not the other, and I can't remember what it is. And then they also gave a couple of packets of these chocolat, and these are from the brand lamaisonchocolat.com or whatever. Anyway, they give these and they're delicious. I already cracked into one of them, and that's where this little bow comes from because I had already eaten one. I couldn't wait another second. So yeah, let's get into what we got though. So it comes very nicely wrapped. I've already opened this, but it comes very nicely wrapped. It has a little tag on here that he didn't write on, but it's like the faux leather as well. It's hot wax stamp to seal it, and they wrap it very, you know, ornately, almost like origami, really nicely and neatly, and simple thick white paper as the wrapping paper. So let's unbox. Comes in a cute little Cartier box. Again, same material and finish as everything else, kind of like a coated wax finish. And it comes, this box opens very nicely for easy access. And this is the box, the famed box. It looks just like if you've ever watched any other unboxing or been in Cartier yourself or having Cartier pieces. Same type of box with the little button opening here. And then you just push the button to open. And this is what we got. We got the love ring. We got it in, you know what, I don't even know if this is white gold or platinum. I didn't even bother to ask. I was super excited to get it, but this is what it is. Hopefully I can do, you know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just do a cutaway of what it looks like on the website. That's better than any photography or filming that I can do. But I was super excited. I could not believe that he actually, one, watched my videos, and then two, had the wherewithal to go downtown, because he hates traffic, he hates people, he hates everything. And he hates bougie places like Cartier, all of that stuff, and he went and purchased it and got very close to the right size. But I do have to go in, so today, this afternoon, he and I are going to go down to go exchange this for the right size. I think he ended up getting a size 4, but it literally goes, whoa, See, here you go. This is my ring finger, and it slips on and off my ring finger. So I am going to have to go down. I need to get a size either 3 3/4 or 3.5. I don't know what size I need to get. They'll figure it out. So in the meantime, I have been wearing it. I just put a smaller ring on top. I stacked the rings so that it wouldn't be able to come off the smaller ring. But that's what I've been doing for now. But I am super excited. I have the best hubby, even if he didn't give me stuff like this. The best hubby. He's super sweet, super thoughtful, super kind. We've been together since the beginning of time, high school sweethearts. So very kind of him, very generous of him, and I'm super excited. One more thing off of my wish list. So boom. The next thing I want to talk about fragrance. And you saw that I'm gushing over the fact that I got some new fragrances here to try. I'm always dabbling and experimenting, but I want to bring up Dossier. Dossier.co. That's where you can get replica fragrances of the designer things that you see in the store, and you just pay a fraction of the price. Literally, you're paying anywhere from 10, 15, 20% of the sticker price in the store, and you're getting pretty much the same fragrance. It's high quality ingredients, same smell, same compliments, right? And then you get it at a discounted price. Additionally, the more that you buy from them, the bigger the discount. So when you buy 3, you get a discount from or more. The more you buy, the more, the deeper the discount. And additionally, because you and I are cool, we go way back, we're friends, you can get my discount, an additional 10% off of your order using the code ROCKY10. That's ROCKY10. Rocky10 will get you 10% off. So for me being in Chicago, that means a lot. Our sales tax is 10.25%, so that pretty much takes care of my sales tax. But for you, depending on where you are, that may mean even more to you. So let me go into the fragrances that I got this time. This time I pretty much did a blind buy of 3 new fragrances that I've never smelled before, but I hear a lot of other fragrance influencers talking about these fragrances. So I thought, let me try. And the very first one is inspired by Tom Ford Oud Wood, and this one is called Fougere Oud. And I am, I'm always trying to be open-minded. So this has rosewood, tobacco, pink pepper, coriander as the top note, oud, patchouli, vetiver as the middle notes, and tonka bean, labdanum, and cedarwood as the base. Let's go. Let's go. It's actually, it's definitely unisex. It has a bit of a sweetness to it. It has the vetiver that I love. I successfully lost the cap. I could see me wearing this. I would do this in my head, and there's a bit of an effervescence in it. There's no, like a pear, but I don't see pear on here, but I smell something that's like a pear. Something that's very playful and effervescent in the background. I would wear this to a party. If I wanted to make a statement, if I knew I was going out, going dancing, being around a lot of people, party vibes, I would wear something like this. This is, and you know me. I tell you, I like my florals. But lately, the more I experiment with fragrances, the more I'm kind of opening up my mind to different combinations. And the more complex the fragrance, the less those notes that I thought I didn't like actually matter. Because they're blended so friggin' well that not one fragrance stands out over the other. It just comes, this beautiful melody of fragrances. And this is an example of one. I would never, based on these notes, never pick this up on my own, let alone pay $250 or $300 for something like this that I wasn't sure about. So definitely, this is a great way to try out a fragrance to see if you love it. And you can, sometimes you end up just making it your signature fragrance. Forget buying the real thing altogether. All right, the second one I tried, and when I go to Dossier, I get no less than 3 because I want to stack my discounts. So you're going to see 3. The next one is Thierry Mugler. Let me say this all in French. Thierry Mugler Alien EDP. And this one is another one that I probably wouldn't pick up either. They call it ambery cedarwood. So the top notes are mandarin, cardamom, and orange blossom. Orange blossom smells a little bitter to me. Jasmine, sambac, and cedarwood. Jasmine on its own can come off very medicinal to me sometimes. So that, I don't know about jasmine, sambac. And then the base notes are heliotrope flower, amber, and vanilla. So I'm not upset about amber and vanilla. Amber has vanilla in it anyway. It's more of an accord than a fragrance itself. Amber in real life does not have a fragrance. It's petrified whatever. You know what I mean? Amber is like a petrified whatever. And so just looking at amber, we've come up with what we think amber should smell like. And it's very sort of gourmand and warm and spicy. So there's several things that go into making the smell of, quote, amber. So it's an accord, not an actual fragrance, by the way. Anyway, so I like amber / vanilla. I love cardamom. So we'll see what this does. And again, so I hear a lot about Alien. So it's one of those things that every fragrance influencer talks about. So, oh yeah, I smell that orange blossom. Yeah, this ain't for me. I smell the orange blossom. It has nothing to do with Dossier, but yeah, I smell this. This is going to be gifted to somebody. It's just not my thing. It's not my thing. And I do smell a hint of that jasmine too, but that orange blossom is so strong for me. It's kind of like me in certain musks. If it's blended really well, and there are other fragrances that kind of can take away from that musk feeling, that musk smell, sorry, not feeling. Sometimes I can forget about the musk. Musk does something on my skin, but depending on how it's blended, it's not that bad. But that orange blossom and I feel like that's all I smell. And it's probably because I just don't like it, but it's all I smell. The third one I got is Tom Ford's Noir EDP. And they call it spicy vanilla. The top notes are nutmeg, black pepper, lemongrass. The middle notes are rose, patchouli, and orris. And the base notes are amber, vanilla, and opoponax. I've never heard of that. But anyway, it gave me vibes of what my Saturdays feel like. Like chai latte, flowers, fresh air, going out. You know what I mean? So we'll see if that's what it does. But I cannot, man. I can't get that smell out of my nose. It definitely does smell dark. It's very peppery. This black pepper at the top ain't no joke. But I like black pepper. That's like one of my favorite ingredients in food. I'm getting the nutmeg. Starting to get a little bit of the vanilla and amber. And there's something in here that's very green. Give me green. I don't know, green vibes. I don't know what it is. If it's what does orris smell like? You guys tell me in the comments down below. Or do you know what opoponax is? Tell me what that is. I didn't really get that lemongrass, which I do love the smell of lemongrass. But this is not bad. And there's something really smooth in here that's bringing it all together. Probably the rose, because I love rose. But it's very nice. I would wear this. I would wear this. But that Alien, nah. Not going to touch my skin ever. I'm definitely giving that one away. Definitely. So that brings us to the end of this video. I just wanted to share with you what I got from Cartier, the gift, and how much it means to me. I'm going to be making a trip downtown today to swap out for another size. Additionally, wait a minute. If he were proposing in that ring with that big one, isn't it bad luck? Oh my gosh. But anyway, and additionally, we're going to go to Breitling because Breitling is having an event this weekend. So I'm going to get my husband to look at a few watches himself because there's a couple that I think he'd like. And, window shop for another one for me. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below, any comments, anything like that. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, because listen, if you made it this far, you like it. You really, really like it. So go ahead and subscribe, share it with a friend, because my thought is if you like it, they like it too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.